Welcome. Let's unlock a hidden Thai language boss that causes instant tourist brain freeze. Ready?
Picture this. You're in Bangkok, and a super friendly local walks up and asks a simple question. Boom! Total system failure. Your brain hits the blue screen of death, and you completely panic, right? Well, don't sweat it. The fix is a simple one-word cheat code. It's basically a linguistic Lego block. That word is zak, meaning from. Say it short and sharp, like za, closing your mouth instantly. Now, let's snap these Lego blocks together. Ma means come, plus jak equals come from. Simple. Want to say leave? Just snap okay onto jack, giving you leave from. It's literally grammar transformers. Let's grab 3 more handy blocks. Ban for home, nai for where, and Daiwan for Taiwan. Combine them to make kun ma jak nai. That's the exact question that triggered your brain freeze. And here's your heroic self-introduction. Chan ma jak Daiwan. Deliver that with total movie star confidence. You can instantly build other practical travel phrases like Kao ok jak ban, meaning he leaves from home. But wait, before you hit the streets, watch out for a massive trap that beginners always trigger. Use jak strictly for physical space. For time, like since yesterday, you've got to use tang te instead. You've got the secret manual now, so I'll leave you with this final test. Kun ma yak nai?